So guys, Bitcoin came down yesterday. We tested the previous resistance as the new support. We are still trading within this rising wedge pattern and we are seeing a lot of interesting signs going up. And Bitcoin, guys, is really preparing right now for a huge move out of this formation, either to the upside or to the downside. And in today's video, I'm going to give you some clear clues of whether I think where the direction is going to be of the breakout right here in the Bitcoin price. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But before we are zooming in right here, guys, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute. Scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button, guys. Very much appreciated. Now let's have a look at the Bitcoin price structure. So not much has changed actually. Like the thing is, yesterday we did came down. We backtested former resistance as the new support, which is so far actually quite bullish. The good thing, guys, right here when Bitcoin is coming down is that when we have a look at the funding rate right here, then the funding rate, or let me put my camera right here, then the funding rate came back to normal levels again, and that is something we actually want to see when Bitcoin is coming down, because that means that the long and short ratio is going to be slightly healthy again, which actually increases the chances of Bitcoin being able to make a rally to the upside right here. And that is also something I want to point out right here, guys, is that I do think that the chances of Bitcoin breaking out to the upside are still higher than Bitcoin breaking out to the downside. The momentum is up. Bitcoin is still in an uptrend, right? We still have higher lows. We still have higher highs. So in the end, the trend is your friend until the end. Right now, we are still in an uptrend. So the chances of breaking out to the upside is slightly higher than breaking out to the downside, even though the rising wedge pattern is technically a bearish pattern. We have seen it in a lot of bull markets, 2017 as well, but also in this bull market we are in right now, this rally, that these rising wedge patterns in a strong bull trend, they tend to break out to the upside. But yeah, for breaking out to the upsides, a couple of things need to happen, and this is very nice because this we can use to verify that breakout. And one of the things is a declining resistance on the daily RSI right here. If we want to break the resistance right in the rising wedge pattern, we need to break the declining resistance in the RSI on the momentum indicator right here on the daily time frame. Then we also have one on the weekly time frame, and we can see as well like a very clear, clear declining resistance right here. We are not touching it yet. We are almost there, and this could be a moment if Bitcoin were to get rejected from this level in the momentum, then that could definitely increase the likelihood for Bitcoin breaking out to the downside and see a correction right here in the price structure. The interesting thing, guys, right here is that we have been predicting quite exactly what is happening right now. I've been talking with you about the Bitcoin dominance, that I expect the Bitcoin dominance to still see lower levels before we actually make that reversal, right? And that reversal will come along with that move in the Bitcoin price. We have been talking about that, right? That if we are seeing a reversal or that bounce in the Bitcoin dominance, most likely that will come with a huge move in the Bitcoin price, because the Bitcoin dominance is not increasing when Bitcoin is moving sideways. So that is important to realize, right? And actually everything is still following our plan. We broke the level right here of 54% approximately. We came down. Right now the lowest level we've tested was 51.5%. I think a major support level in the Bitcoin dominance would be the 50% level. And guys, it would make sense for Bitcoin to see a bounce at these levels in the Bitcoin dominance, because we have seen quite a drop in the Bitcoin dominance without a significant structured bounce. So we have seen some sideways movement. We got small bounce right here, but not a structured bounce. So I think it's definitely possible that we are going to see once we are seeing these lower levels in the Bitcoin dominance, maybe levels of 50, the RSI is trending up, that we eventually are going to see that bounce, and that bounce will coincide with that huge move in the Bitcoin price. So let's go back to the Bitcoin chart, guys. let's dive into the 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look what's going on right there. So yeah, I've been talking about this blue uprising channel where we are trading in. We are still trading in that uprising channel, and as you can see, the middle of the channel was showing a lot of significance. We broke that to the downside, and yeah, below that we tested a very important support level, or actually a very important level, which was former resistance at approximately 61,000 US dollars. So far this level is holding support. Right now, in the immediate short-term time frame, we are testing a level right here, which is the level of approximately 62,200. You can see that this level has been multiple touches of support right now. Could act as resistance. If we were to break above that level, that could in the shorter term time frame, right on the 1 hour, could spike a rally in the Bitcoin price. However, I would be very careful when trading Bitcoin within this pattern, because I think right now we are seeing this consolidation going on, and Bitcoin is just preparing for a huge move. And right now you cannot say with any certainty whether that move is going to be to the upside or to the downside. And of course, a lot of people right now, they expect that move to be to the downside because it is a rising wedge pattern, normally a bearish pattern. We have this kind of divergences right on the RSI and in the MACD. But yeah, that's also another argument to say that it is more likely breaking out to the upside, because majority of the people, they are expecting Bitcoin to make a correction, to break out to the downside. Funding rate already came down to these lower levels, to these neutral levels, right? So those can be arguments for Bitcoin to actually continue this uptrend and break out to the upside. So that is important to realize. I think right now we are just consolidating. And right now we just have to wait whether Bitcoin is going to break out to the upside or to the downside. And when we are when we have not seen that breakout yet, guys, I do think that altcoins are going to do well in the Bitcoin comparative. So let's go first to Link in the Bitcoin comparative, because right now in hindsight, guys, we have been trading Link very, very successfully. And right here we can see that it just almost hit our next level, or first level right here at the approximately 73,000 Satoshis level. But right here was our buy zone. Here we had a very important declining resistance, which we broke out to the upside. And we got already quite some daily closes above that level, which is quite bullish. But if we were to have a look at the weekly time frame, and after tomorrow we will have a weekly close above this level as well. That is, in the macro perspective, looking very bullish for Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative. Also, when we bring out the momentum indicator right here on the weekly time frame, we can see that there is a lot of space for bullish momentum right here. We broke this declining resistance, which also showed that we already got this momentum spike behind the price increase right here. But this is just a extra bullish confirmation that Chainlink in the Bitcoin comparative is looking bullish. However, guys, I do expect once we are touching one of these levels, so 73,000, or might be the 50% Fibonacci level at approximately 79,000, I do expect a small retracement before we are going to continue that uptrend, because that would coincide with the Bitcoin dominance increasing as well. Liquidity from the altcoin markets are being more concentrated on Bitcoin, which makes sense if Bitcoin is going to make a big move. Then, guys, when we have a look at Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, then we are seeing something similar, right? We have the uprising channel we are trading in. We had a very important level right here, approximately the 0.039 level, where we right now as well try to break above. Let's go to the daily time frame. And we are approaching, and this is going to be an interesting level, guys, Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, we are approaching the middle of the channel. And if we have a look at previous time, we've touched the middle of the channel. We have seen quite some rejections, prices coming down to test the bottom of the channel. I think it is possible, guys, to see something similar right now as well, because we can see that the Bitcoin dominance, same as with Chainlink, right? That we can see a retracement after this rally of Ethereum in the Bitcoin Bitcoin comparative, where the Bitcoin dominance is going to see a reversal, a bounce. Bitcoin is going to have that breakout either to the upside or to the downside from that rising wedge formation. That is going to be a moment where Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative might as well see a retracement. But okay guys, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If so guys, please do make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. Then for every single one of you who wants to enroll for my cryptocurrency trading course, right now you still can enroll with a $100 discount, and you have 2 days left, only today and tomorrow, until that discount is going to end. So if you want to enroll for my cryptocurrency training course, right now is the time to take advantage of that huge bonus. And yeah, for the ones that already are trading but want to sign up on one of the exchanges that I'm using, where you can trade Bitcoin and a variety of altcoins, I have all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment to the exchanges that I'm using, which is the Bybit exchange, the Femix platform, and the Prime XBT platform. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link, you will get an extra bonus. So guys, then I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day ahead, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.